I'm Captain Mukesh Kumar. Today we have completed our 20 years of existence in India and we have maintained our standards all through, and we are very happy to note that now people who had our kitchens 13-15 years ago are our repeat clients, because the families grow, the homes grow, they have trusted us and we feel very proud.
We are pleased to be using a German giant. They are known for their quality and build. Innovation in the kitchen.
Keep up good work.
Amazing quality.
You guys are the best in the kitchens. Your designs are very modern.
Häcker equals kitchens, kitchens equals hackers.
No other company can beat it.